Hello, we are Travis and Chantil.
And ever since we rode our motorcycles for the first time in Baja, Mexico, we were convinced that we want to retire early and travel the world on motorcycles. Travel is in our blood, and in honor of the first country that we visited outside the United States, which was Mexico, we decided to name our channel viajarMOTO. Viajar is the Spanish word for travel, and moto is short for our beloved motorcycles.
In March 2020, we started living our dream of full-time motorcycle traveling.
Yeah, and despite a worldwide pandemic, we were able to stay on the road somehow.
Over the last 4 years, we've seen lots of Europe and Northern Africa on our BMW G650 GSs.
Yeah, those bikes brought us to 50 plus countries and 85,000 miles. So we're currently in the next chapter of our adventures. We're in the United States now, preparing 2 bikes for traveling the Americas.
We want to experience Central and South America over the next 3 to 4 years, and we wanted motorcycles that were dependable and durable.
We wanted motorcycles that we could occasionally ride on the highways, but were actually better suited for riding the rough terrain that we expected while riding through South America.
We also wanted them not to be too expensive.
Exactly. In the end, we finally chose...
Are you ready for the review?
Yahoo! KLR 650s, tried and true. So both of our KLRs are 2023 models. I'm on the standard base model with ABS.
And I am on the lowered S version with ABS.
The crash bars and bash plates were donated by Outback Motortech, and Upshift provided the sweet graphics with a really awesome topographical design.
Don't they look great?
We've got a lot of modifications to turn these great bikes into overland mules, so let's get back to the garage. So we're going to take this base model 2023 KLR, 3rd generation KLR, and do some modifications. First, we're going to add a tail box from Pelican. It'll be removable. We'll show you how to do that. We'll add some lighting from Denali, aux lighting, including mounting that on the lower part of the bike. We've got updated foot pegs, so much better than come stock. And we're also going to lower those. We'll add some heated grips from Koso, and then a little louder horn from Denali as well. Some aux power, including wiring the GPS, and 12-volt power so we can power all of our electronics. We're going to have an air tag holder, a back-off module to flash the lights, the tail lights. We'll also upgrade the tail light to an LED bulb. We're going to have protection from Bark Buster to protect the handlebars and the handles. We're also going to add crash protection via Outback Motortech and a skid plate as well. And then panniers are going to arrive a little later. Also luggage will arrive later. We're going to do some engine modifications to include updating our air filter, a low profile drain plug, and also a stainless steel reusable oil filter. So as you can see, we've got a lot of work to do. So make sure you subscribe to our channel to see future modifications as we prepare our motorcycles for traveling through Central and South America. So if you're interested in more KLR modifications, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified of future updates.